Contrary to its name, the electric eel is not actually an eel, but a unique species of fish known as Electrophorus electricus. Found in the freshwaters of South America, these extraordinary creatures possess a remarkable talent: the power to generate electric shocks. The electric eel's incredible ability is made possible by its specialized electric organ, which takes up approximately 80% of its body. This organ is composed of thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes. When the electric eel detects prey or senses danger, it rapidly discharges electric pulses. These pulses can reach a staggering 600 volts, making the electric eel one of the most powerful bioelectric generators in the animal kingdom. With this electrifying power, the electric eel can incapacitate its prey, navigate through murky waters, and even communicate with other electric eels. Scientists have been captivated by the electric eel's abilities and have conducted extensive research to understand its unique physiology. By studying these creatures, they hope to unlock secrets that could potentially revolutionize fields like bioengineering and medicine. The electric eel's electric organ and its ability to generate powerful shocks could inspire the development of new technologies, such as advanced batteries and electrical implants for medical purposes. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of what we can learn from these incredible creatures. Did you know that electric eels can grow up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet, in length and weigh over 20 kilograms, 44 pounds? These majestic creatures require a vast amount of energy to sustain their electric capabilities. But the electric eel's story doesn't end here. These astonishing fish embark on an epic migration, traveling thousands of kilometers to reach the Sargasso Sea, where they reproduce and ensure the survival of their species. The Sargasso Sea, located in the North Atlantic Ocean, is a unique ecosystem characterized by vast expanses of floating sargassum seaweed. It is here that eels from different corners of the world converge, driven by an ancient instinct to complete their remarkable life cycle. The journey begins when these young eels, known as glass eels or elvers, leave their freshwater habitats and embark on a daunting adventure across oceans. They navigate through ocean currents, utilizing their remarkable sense of smell to guide them. For months, these resilient eels traverse thousands of kilometers, defying strong currents and overcoming natural obstacles. Their mission: to reach the Sargasso Sea, an area known as the spawning grounds. Once they arrive in the Sargasso Sea, an enchanting ballet of life and reproduction begins. Male and female eels come together in a mesmerizing display of courtship and mating. After the mating process, the eels fulfill their final duty, spawning. The female eels release their eggs into the water, while the males release their sperm, resulting in fertilization. From these eggs, transparent and leaf-shaped larvae called leptocephali emerge, floating in the vast expanse of the Sargasso Sea. The leptocephali drift with ocean currents for months or even years, undergoing remarkable transformations along the way. Gradually, they metamorphose into glass eels, gaining pigmentation and developing the characteristics of eels we recognize. Habitat loss, caused by pollution, dam construction, and urbanization, disrupts the delicate ecosystems eels rely on. These changes impede their migrations, access to spawning grounds, and vital habitats necessary for their survival. Overfishing poses another significant threat to eels. Demand for eel meat, particularly in culinary traditions, has led to unsustainable fishing practices. Eels are often caught before they can reach reproductive maturity, exacerbating the decline in their populations. Engaging local communities is crucial to the success of eel conservation. By fostering a sense of stewardship and sustainable practices, we can ensure a future where eels continue to thrive and play their vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. Eels are not only remarkable creatures but also keystone species in many ecosystems. Their presence influences prey populations, nutrient cycling, and overall ecosystem health. The decline of eels could have far-reaching consequences for the delicate balance of our waters. During their journey as leptocephali, these remarkable larvae undergo incredible metamorphosis. They gradually transform into glass eels, gaining pigmentation and developing the physical characteristics of eels we recognize. Eels, renowned for their elusive nature and remarkable adaptations, are not without enemies. Despite their electric defenses and sleek bodies, they encounter formidable adversaries that pose a constant threat to their survival. One of the most fearsome predators of eels is the voracious pike. With their sharp teeth and lightning-fast strikes, these aggressive fish can easily overpower an eel, making them a formidable foe in freshwater habitats. In the realm of the ocean, eels face a formidable opponent, the crafty octopus. With its intelligence, camouflage, and strong tentacles, the octopus can skillfully outmaneuver an eel, turning the tide in its favor. On the water's edge, eels encounter another fierce predator, the patient and stealthy heron. These elegant birds, with their long necks and sharp beaks, have perfected the art of snatching eels from the shallows, leaving their prey with little chance of escape.